Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 2 Murray Street in Como, where you know you're close to everything. With Penrose only 2 minutes away, Wesley 5 minutes, and Curtin 5 minutes as well. This is going to be the great place to downsize to, or where the kids can live while they get educated. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 2 Murray Street in Como. As you can see, this home's going to make the perfect downsizer, the city base, or the place for the kids to go to school. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.